Hey family, and welcome back to my channel. It comes natural, or being you, it should come natural. So for today's video, as promised, I will be doing a full review of the MICHE Beauty product line. Alright, so starting out with the shampoo, the sulfate-free shampoo, moisturizing and cleansing. This particular shampoo, initially my first impression, it's very runny. The consistency was, very good. It gave me a lot of slip. The product smelled amazing. It definitely smelled like sweet tarts to me, but very like fruity smell. It smelled really, really good. And the shampoo felt really good to my scalp. Like I said, it felt moisturizing. I didn't feel like my hair was being stripped, but I feel like it was really getting cleansed. Especially with me having those braids in and me just taking it out and washing it. Alright, let's go rinse this bad boy out. So this is what it looks like. Product, make sure I'm in the camera. Product is very thick, which is good. I like thick products. So, nice and product. Then I'm just gonna, this I'm really feeling it. Really feeling it. This deep conditioner might be for the win. Y'all, this conditioner smells amazing. It's bomb. It smells so good. I mean, it smells so good. I just can't eat it. Like, it smells edible. And I do really like the way it's making my hair feel now. So as you all can see, I really enjoyed the deep conditioner. Like I said, it smelled really good. It felt really good on my hair. It was moisturizing. It gave me slip. I was able to detangle and all of that good stuff. So we'll just keep going. Hey family, I'm back. So it is almost 9 o'clock at night. So I rinsed my deep conditioner out, and usually what I like to do is I don't like to start immediately styling my hair because I don't like for my hair to be extremely wet. So I'll kind of wait for a little while. Sometimes longer, sometimes not as long. Today I actually went out and ran a couple errands, so I wasn't able to style my hair sooner, but it actually works out better because I like my hair to be dry, just so I don't experience a whole lot of shrinkage and I can achieve more of a stretched look. But here I am, I'm back. My deep conditioner is all washed out, and I just threw a plastic cap and a scarf on to go out and run errands, but here we go. Alright, so now that that's all rinsed out, I really like the results that I got from this deep conditioner. It's definitely probably going to become a staple product for me. It left my hair really shiny and it was very soft and very moisturized. So I was very pleased with this product. Now moving on to our styling. The style that I wanted to achieve was good old faithful twist out. But I just wanted to give it a little, pizzazz, I guess you could say. So what I'm doing is I'm parting my hair. I am terrible at parting. I know the part is not 100% straight, but I really don't care. It still came out cute. So what I'm doing is sectioning off my hair, and I am going to create a flat twist in the front. So for this particular part, I had to take off my glasses for a second so I could flat twist the front. And y'all, when I tell y'all, my goodness, I was like a ship without a sail, lost. I could not see nothing, absolutely nothing. So I'm applying some edge control here and just brushing it, trying to slick it down. And then my freedom came because I put my glasses back on, of course. And I'm just going to begin to flat twist. I am not really an expert when it comes to flat twisting my hair, but I do it well enough, especially if it's just one across the front. And what I did was I started off to the side and I went all the way across. I learned that for me, I have to go very slow, and I have to add small pieces of hair. If I, added too much hair, it would be chunky and it would just look a mess. But as long as I kept it tight and I added small pieces of hair, it actually turned out really well. To finish out this style, I am simply just putting 2-strand twists all over the rest of my head. For those of you that have watched any of my previous videos, you know that I like to do my twists small, and this is just to simply help achieve the best definition, and it always helps to make my twist out last longer. So yep, I'm just going to finish this up and then we will be all done with this style. How I apply the products was I started out with the Lavish leave-in conditioner. I applied that first, and then I went behind that and I applied the Quenched Hydrating and Twisting Butter. Alright family, so now that I'm all done, here are my final thoughts on the MICHE product line. So overall, this product line is definitely one that I believe, as I continue to use, I'm going to be able to add to some of my staple products. This product line is really, really good. It's amazing, and my hair feels amazing. Very moisturizing, like really. It really does exactly what it says it's going to do. The shampoo, not only did it smell really good, but it cleansed my hair really good. And I normally, especially after having braids, I normally have to like wash 2 or 3 times, you know, do 2 or 3 shampoos to really feel like I got my hair really clean. As you guys saw on camera, I washed it once and I went to the sink and, you know, I made sure I got my scalp and everything, but when I rinsed it out, my hair was squeaky clean, but my hair did not feel stripped. It was very moisturizing, but at the same time, my hair felt clean. And I parted my scalp and I looked at my scalp and it was clean. There was no residue left behind. It didn't feel gulky, because something's going on with my scalp where sometimes I get a really, or depending on the shampoo that I'm using, I can get like residue from the shampoo. But I did not experience that with this product line. The conditioner, let's see. I would definitely have to say, and usually it's the opposite. Usually the styling cream and the leave-in conditioner is one of my favorites from the product line. But I would definitely have to say that the shampoo and the Indulge Deep Conditioner will probably tie for my 2 favorite products within this line. Now, as far as the twisting butter, my hair, or the hydrating twisting butter, it's a really good product as well. Do I feel like it's the best styler out there? No, there's still other great stylers, but it was a pretty good styler. It gave my hair a lot of definition. So as you can see, my hair is pretty defined, which is a plus. So it gave me definition, but my hair is still very soft, so that's good, because sometimes you can have one or the other. You can have great definition, but your hair feels like hard and crunchy, or it can be super duper soft, but it doesn't last. Now, we will see how this lasts, because I don't plan on retwisting my hair. I just plan on putting it in pigtails and putting a bonnet on. So as time goes on, we'll see how it does, but just the initial thoughts and results, very, very good. The leave-in conditioner, it all was just really, really good. This product definitely did not fail me. It works, and I can definitely tell that my hair really likes it. Like my hair, out of a lot of the products that I use, this is one of the products where, because sometimes you can get fooled, like when you're applying the products, it feels like, you know, your hair is moisturized or it feels really good, but then by the time you rinse it out and, you know, you style your hair and you go on about your business, it's like it doesn't maintain that moisture. But my hair feels very, very, very moisturized. I feel like my hair is also very shiny, which with my hair color and also my hair texture, my hair doesn't naturally have like a good shine to it. But right now, it has very, very, very good shine, very good definition. So I would give this product line an A+. It is the bomb for sure, and I'm definitely glad that I tried it, and I can tell that it's a product line that I'm going to continue to use. So as always, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Make sure you like this video, as well as don't forget to subscribe, and please, please, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about my results. Let me know if you have used the MICHE products and if you like them. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, peace out, and remember, being you, it should come natural.